Alright guys, it is that dreaded time to change the blade in my Ryobi circular saw. I hope that this helps you. I already made one video, but I didn't put how to take off the blade, and lo and behold, I needed to do that right now and I didn't know how to do it. So I am making one for myself, selfishly, but also for you if you want to do the same, because if your blade and your lock in your circular saw is not working, you're gonna need this, and this is gonna be so helpful to you as it's gonna be for me next time I need to do this, because it's every 6 months or a year that I need to do this and I forget. So alrighty guys, so here we are. Remember to take off the battery from your circular saw when you're doing this. No battery, take it off. Also wear some gloves, because these things, even though they don't work anymore for wood, they will rip your piece of skin off, and that's not gonna be good. We don't want emergencies. And then what you're gonna need is a vice grip like this one. You're gonna need this Allen wrench that the Ryobi comes with, and that's gonna fit in here in the middle, as you see right here. And then to make your life easier, you're gonna need one of these screwdriver tops that has, you know, attachments. So this one that has a little hollow part here, and then this is gonna help you very, very much once you want to untighten this. So this right here tells you that if it goes this way, going that way, you're gonna tighten the whole thing. And then let's pay attention to where the blade teeth are going. They're going to your left. As I'm standing here, I don't know how you're gonna look at it when you're standing right in front of it like this with your handle here. The blade teeth are going that way, going to the left. So we have to remember that, because when we put our blade, the new one, the teeth have to be going the same way. These are new, different ones that I got from Amazon. These are from the home department store. So let's get this out and untighten this first. So what I did, instead of going this way to the left to tighten, I grabbed my screwdriver top and then untightened going this way, and then it's unlocking, as you can see here. Oops, it already fell. This is already loose. Now we're going to untighten this. We're going to remember also how all of this is positioned. So you'll end up with the screw that goes in here like this, and this little washer. So that, remember, that one has to go here, back again. So just put it to the side, and then you're just going to unlock or detach, whatever you want to do, this from here. If you do it with both your hands properly, I'm gonna do that right now off the camera. Putting on the gloves. Okay, this is, I'm just gonna leave it the same way it was put. And then this one comes with a nice cover, which is great because the other ones don't, and that's gonna help you at least not get cut if you are handling it. So once this is like here, I think we just have to put this back on in here. My instinct is just to do this, and this is how this was. Okay guys, so here's an important thing that you need to notice. My blades that I got from Amazon are these guys, and as you can see, the blade goes this way, but going to this side on my right. But if you can see here, the blade here goes to the right. as well. But if you come and see the one that I took off, the direction of the teeth, if it doesn't tell you, you know, where it's supposed to go, this one says it has to go this way. But on this one that I got, this one goes, this is where the arrows are, I believe, and this exactly matches this other one that I'm taking off. So teeth going that way, and this one, the teeth are going the other way. Can you see here the difference? Teeth going here, and these go the other way. So I should probably, to install, if I want to install this one, I need to reverse it, not leaving the, you know, all of the markings here in the front. And I should just put it to the other side. So that's what I'm going to do. But it's kind of tricky because these ones, if you go the other way, you could use it probably to cut vinyl or some other things that would prevent it from tearing out. But I need it for wood, so I need it to go this way, the same as the one that I'm taking off. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Another thing that I'm doing is I'm grabbing this clamp and putting it here. This is a heavy duty clamp, that way it can hold my guard. I'm gonna put this backwards, remembering why, because I'm putting it the way that the blade says it should go. Also, here is where it tells me where the blade should go as well. Putting it back in. I'm going to put this on here so that it matches. It fits right back in. And now I'm going to, oh shoot. Okay. No. Okay, back again. Let's try this again. Remember that when you tighten, you're going to tighten the opposite way, because that's how this one is. Just follow the instructions on your machine. So this one I'm gonna tighten this way. Usually it would be righty tighty, lefty loosey. This one is going lefty tighty, righty loosey. Kind of strange. And once we have it hand tight, we're gonna grab our vice grip again. And then this, we're going to tighten it hand tight as much as possible. Just double check that you have tightened it correctly. Okay, I could still go a little bit further to the left, so that's what I did. And that should be it. Kind of strange because these are different. This one is the same way, where the blade, instead of going, you can see that it's going the other way. This one is telling me it should go this way. So you can see the difference in the blades. All right, guys, I hope that this helps you and that you were able to change your blade on your Ryobi or any of your circular saws. And remember, this is the way for the blade to go. You can tighten it here if you don't have the lock. My lock doesn't work. It's just like super loose. That's my luck. And there you go. And now I'm gonna go try it and cut a piece of wood to show you how it works. And just be sure to tighten it very well. The more, the better. That way you're absolutely sure that this is not gonna fly off and hurt anybody, starting with yourself. So let's go get to some cutting and show you how it performs now. By the way, guys, if you see I have one shoe of this and then the other, is because I have a bad foot. I'm recovering, so I can't wear regular shoes. Okay, put your battery, that's important. I wonder it was so light. And then safety gear in your ears and in your hands. And let's do this. It was having trouble cutting with the other one because it had no sharpness at all. So there you go, guys. It does work. Go out there and build something